This is a short video on these wheel horse PTO switches. I've seen to have multiple issues with them. Every time they don't make up, can't get especially the two outside contacts to make up. And one of the things I've seen there on the Parts Tree website, they're a little over $100, and I'm really too cheap to pay that for a new switch. So I delved into some of these old ones to see what was going on the inside. And this is the way I take them apart: is I get a thin screwdriver, pry this edge out. I go on the other side, do the same thing, pry it out. Then I really slowly remove this top cover, which will expose these contacts. And I'm finding that the contacts look really good inside it. I don't know if y'all can see how nice. They really look good. The inside of these things look pretty good. So the only thing I can see that is causing an issue in these switches, this one here, we'll take a look at it. It looks really good too. The contacts look really good on it too. And if you look down inside of, now there's a couple springs in here that hold this on, but if you look down inside here, that's not too bad. So the only thing I can attribute to causing this switches not to work, they're not burned up, is that they're flat. They're relatively flat, and they've lost their ability to wipe. You know, when the switch closes, it kind of flexes and wipes the contacts. So what I ended up doing was giving them just a little bit, just a little tiny tweaking, little bit of a bend, and I put them back on the old number there, and put them back in, just a ever so slight bend. I have taken on some of them a little bit of contact paper, not contact paper, sandpaper, and rubbed them a little bit. But I tell you what, after looking down in there, it's just not necessary. So I give them a little bit of an arch, just a little, a smidgen of an arch. You can see, just, I don't know if you can see that or not against my shirt. It's kind of got a bow in it, and it kind of causes the contacts to flex and rub into the stationary contacts that are inside this. And the process for putting this back together is, of course, just sticking it back on and then making sure the springs stay up in there. They'll stay pretty good, and you put it back down on and just bend these back over to hold it together. I have taken a little bit of electrical tape and put it around them because I didn't really know if it was going to stay on its own or not, but just wanted to share that short video.